Hey there, it's Jen, and I thought I would quickly show you my December daily mini kit. This is the Paislee Press mini kit, and this is all that I'm getting this year. I have lots of stuff left over from other years, so this is a good way to just supplement. Now, I think this is sold out, but for those of you who already have it, you can take a look at what you'll be getting, and or what you already have maybe, and check it out here. So let's show you the 6x8 papers first. All right, so we have this that says Mary in the red. I love this, it's so cute. The backs of all of them have a really tight diagonal stripe, and it's like a gray color. So the backs are all the same. We have a black and white stripe. This really cute December calendar. There's a place for important dates to do. You can just put anything you want on here. I just think this is a really great addition always. This is a little plaid. It's really tiny, so it kind of makes the camera go a little funny, but you can see that tiny plaid there in black. I love these text kind of papers, and it says the most wonderful time of the year. This one has kind of like the little gingerbread scallop. Really cute. This is a tiny gray dot. It just looks like splatter. Really cute. Here is a wish list for myself, for the new year, for my family. Love that. Love that it's not just a present wish list. And I like this little notch at the bottom too. And then lastly, we have this gray snowflake, and it's got the little tiny white snowflakes on it. Okay, so those are the papers. Maybe I should just kind of, we'll put this one, I don't know if red's a good one to be on top, but I'm just going to kind of spread them out here so you can see them as they coordinate with the other items in the kit. I'll just put this one on top in case we need something white. Okay, let's take a look at the cards. So there are 4x6 and 3x4 cards, so we'll look at the 4x6 first. This year I was very nice, or sort of naughty. Most of the cards have a similar thing on the back as they do on the front, but this one has a little pink, that tiny little dot. So there is a bit of pink thrown in here. I'm going to leave it on that side, even though this side I love more, but just so that you can see that there's a little bit of pink thrown in here. So then we have Mary, and this is, it's not quite gold, it's almost a coppery foil, and then the back has it in red. This says 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, and it's just a black with gray. And then this one doesn't say anything, so if you wanted to put something else there, you could. There's definitely room to stamp something there if that's what you want to do. This is the same snowflake pattern, but it's a light soft blue color, which I think is gorgeous. And then you've got black with a space at the bottom if you would rather have that. Then we have this kind of fun, funky little star. I don't know, it's not really a star, but just a geometric pattern. Kind of like a wreath almost in that copper foil. And then the back, it just has some black. I love black and white because it matches everything and it's really easy to use. So I love, Paislee press kits usually are kind of like that, and I just love that look. I'm gonna put that one on the black side. Okay, and then this one says Wonder-Filled Moments with two little squares. Love that you could, on this side, you could put pictures there if you wanted, or you could put a picture in one side and journaling in the other, or you can just use the card as kind of a filler card and put stuff around it if you want it or whatever. So I love that. Now that we have the 3x4 cards, these are really, really cute, guys. I couldn't help myself, I looked before I showed you. Okay, Deck the Halls, and this is black with some mistletoe hanging down, and then the back is white. So I love the option there. This one says, Oh What Fun, and it's green on that light blue. So there's a little bit of green in here as well. And then this one just has light blue empty spaces that you could write stuff in or just use it as a pattern. We've got a black and white diagonal stripe. And then the back, this is super cute, has currently, state of mind. You could use this not only for Christmas, but if you just saved it, you could use it for anything. It's really cute. Then this one has like a kind of crosshatch, linen almost looking, or cheesecloth, and then the back is full. So whether you want to have this space for journaling or just use it and put an embellishment on the top, either way is great. Then we have this one. I love stuff like this where the text plays together. This one says Merry Everything and Happy Always in red, and then the back is black and white. And of course, I love me the black and white, but we'll put the red here because there's red here and we'll just balance that in the video. Okay, this one says December vibes, which I think is super cute. And the back says the same thing in red, holiday vibes. So you got holiday or December. So if you're not, I don't know, you can use it for other things, I guess. All right, this one has that gingerbread scallop, and then the back has it in foil. Now this kind of looks like a mermaid if you're into that. Okay, making spirits bright with some kind of just sketchy little trees. I think it's super adorable. And then the back has them in the foil. I actually like the black and white version of it though. You could add color to it if you wanted. Loving this busy season, the hustle and bustle, holiday shopping, making and baking, caroling, and spending time with, and then plenty of room to write. You can put the date here. That's a really nice card. And then the back is the same thing in red. So very cute. Then we've got black and white text, and then the back is in gray, which I love. And then we've got this red one. It's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who's gathered around it in red, and then we've got it in black as well. Then we've got Joy to the World. Love that. Same thing in black and white. Love me some black and white. And then we've got this cool triangle pattern. And then on the back, you've just got one, so it can point to your journaling or some sort of element that you want to put there. This one says, "'Tis the season." Same thing in dark green on the back. I don't know if you can tell that's green, but it is. Then we've got this one that's like a heart. It's like a soft, almost like a chalky look. And then this one, it says "Gather." There's that, see that pink coming back in a little bit. Okay, then we have the tiny, tiny dots in black, and the other side has them in gray. We've got a red stripe, and we got a pink stripe. And then we've got December 2018, and the same thing in the foil. Okay, so those are the cards. Very cute, right? Let's, I'm gonna go ahead and move these out of the way, actually, and we'll take a look at the embellishments. So this is a mini kit, so it's not as full as if you got the main kit. Your kit will have more stuff in it than this one, but sometimes all you need is, you always have leftovers, right? But it's hard to resist. Okay, sorry. Let's take a look. We've got some puffy stickers. I'll take them out of the package so you don't have to see. I should have taken them out of the package before. Sorry about that. Okay, so these are super cute. They're not the soft puffy stickers. They're like the plasticky ones, but they're really sweet. So we've got happy with a house there, 25, the nice list, little hearts, mistletoe. So there's a little bit of navy in here. We've got a snowflake, reindeer with a red nose, heart this. I love these little hearts. I'm a big fan. Be merry. D24, which I like for December 24th. Usually we get a 25, so I like that one's Christmas Eve. Then we got the details, family and friends, to do, under the mistletoe, all together, all I need is you, home for the holidays, Christmas traditions, and deck the halls. I love stuff like this, and when you staple them, it makes a little indent in the puffiness, and I love the way that looks. And that's fun to staple right onto a photo, so. Anyway, that's my idea. And also I was thinking, like, you know, with all of these cards where there's a space here, you could put, like you could put the Be Merry underneath this little arrow thing, or the ones where sometimes there's a space that you could just, let me see. There's a specific one I'm thinking of. You could also put it on lines really easily, but where's that one that had, maybe it was a 4x6. Sorry, I just want to show you real quick what I mean. Oh, right here. So this one didn't have a phrase right here, but what you could do instead is you could put, you could put one of these puffy stickers there. So you've got a little bit of a dimensional something going on. Even these ones that are a little bit bigger, you can just snuggle it right under there, or you could overlap it onto the lines like that, and it's just really cute. So anyway, just a thought. I like to add stuff to the cards, just a few things here and there. Okay, and then the chipboard is always awesome for that too. So here we have the chipboard. I will take it out of its packaging too. I apologize for not having done that already. These are really cute. I love these colors. Like, look at this light blue with the teal lettering on it. So cute. So this says it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This one's together with that kind of stacked text that we've seen throughout. Better not pout, special delivery, heart this. Love that one. A star, holiday vibes, holiday selfie. File this under favorites. Love that one. December 2018. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I love how that wonderful is stretched out. Dear Santa, magic, the best part, the wish list, Christmas morning, and gather. Love those. Okay, and then we just have some numbers. Of course, you're not going to be able to do all of your numbers with this, but you can do some of them, or you could use it for like 2018 or, you know, whatever. We know what numbers are for, right? And then lastly, these are super cute. There are a few little rubber embellishments. And I'm always a big fan of stapling these onto the cards as well. I like how small these are. So this says, love this time of year. Then we have this one that says, all decked out. And then this one, which is sort of translucent. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's got a snowflake on it. So they're just really sweet, really cute items in this Paislee Press mini kit. You can see all the glorious goodness spread here. So I'm excited to work with that this year. And if you've got this coming your way, get excited too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.